Now, in advanced level, we have for advanced, in advanced. Anything can come. Sorry about that. Anything can come in advance. Na 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 na. Okay. Now let's just go on to the real puzzles, and they will be a lot harder than the intermediate level, and there will be no options as always. Let's just get into it. Now, puzzle 1 for advanced level players. So, you are black and you have to checkmate white. So, this is the plan. How to achieve that plan is your job. Yes, so you have to think the move and answer them in the comments. Okay, the last time I am saying this. You have to write advanced if you are writing, if this is from advanced level, intermediate if that is from intermediate level, and beginner if that is from beginner level. To write which you have to write beginner, intermediate or advanced, and then you have to write hashtag, then the question number, and then the answer. So this is what you will need to write in the comments if you know the answer. This is the last time I have said that. Now I'm not going to tell that. Okay, now think. There will be no options. You have to think. This was possible, so this will be hard. And what was I saying? The special puzzle, the hardest. Oops, why did I leak that? Editor, cut that right now. The hardest puzzle. I said that again. The special puzzle is at the end. Okay. So stay tuned for that. If you think you are very good at solving puzzles, so stay tuned for that. Okay. Bit of time left. Think quickly. Quick, time's running out. Quickly. Some seconds left. Okay, now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom! Now puzzle number 2. Now you are white. Oh, shoot. Sorry for the noise, I think will come. So imagine that doesn't happen. Okay, now you are white and you have to capture black's rook. How do you capture that? It's your problem and it's your move, player move. You have to capture black's rook. Okay, you get it now? You have to capture black's rook. Your move. Okay, think quick. I'm not going to wait that long, like 3-4 minutes. Nah, 1 minute only. So you have bit of time left. pause the video if you want to think, because I'm not waiting. Why should I waste my time? Just pause the video and think. These are not that hard for advanced level players. These are, but not that. Okay, now think quickly. Boom! Boom! Now this is going to be hard. You are white and you have to checkmate black. This is going to be hard. Means very, 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 very hard. It's not like impossible. Yeah, if your rating is more than 2000, not that much, you will get it. But don't be scared. Just try, look, focus, and you can also do it. It is hard, yeah, I get it. It's for the high level player. So yeah, people will not just sit and do easy puzzle right now, okay? You have to think also. Now I'm going to give time in this one. How much time? Let me think. 3 minutes? But you will need more. Okay, 3 minutes is it. Now I'm not going to 3 minutes think. Only 3 minutes. Sorry, 2 minutes. After like 1 minute left, I'm going to say that 1 minute left. I have set in a timer. Okay, I should stop yapping. Yeah, now think. Pause the video. Okay, think. Time is running out. Just keep that in mind. And this is hard. So yeah, focus. Focus. You can do it, I know it. Just think. Okay. Think quickly. Time is running out. Think. And a quick reminder, only 30 seconds is left. Now 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. Quickly think. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oopsie, I leaked my 5th puzzle. That's not the special one. But time's up. And now I switch to the next puzzle. Now you are white. And wait, hold up. Don't say something. I have put in this position wrong. Let me fix this position. Don't say you have made it harder, because this does not work. This is not hard. That's why I'm changing this to the correct position. The queen is here. The queen should be here. A quick error. It will take time for me, but not for you, because I'm just going to cut. Okay. Now this is the correct position. The queen was here. Now the queen is here. Yeah, before you could just go queen f7 and then queen g8 checkmate and then you win. So that will be pretty easy. So yeah, now the queen is in between and you are white and you have to hold up, win black's queen. That's all you have to win, black's queen. That's it. You have to win black's queen. Pretty easy now for advanced level. But yeah, some people will still struggle at this. This is an easy, so I'm gonna wait less time for this one, okay? And of course, this video is long, consists of beginner, intermediate, and advanced level. So yeah, think quickly now, okay? And there is also going to be a special puzzle at the end. So this is going to be very long video. You will have puzzles, so you can practice. Okay, now I'm counting from 10 to 0. And then I'm going to go to the next puzzle. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. I don't know why I did that. Where was I? I'm restarting. I don't remember where I was. Sorry. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No. What the? Hey, we are already through the next puzzle. Now you are white, and in this position you have to get up in material. There, now black blundered in this position. It's your move. You have to see what black blundered and how to exploit that. So this is what you have to do in this puzzle. Pretty tricky because you don't know what you are going to do. So yeah, solve it. Pause the video if you want to think, because I'm not going to wait for so long, and this is pretty easy. And you are white and you have to get material, means exploit the blunder that black did. So yeah, this is all in this puzzle. So yeah, that's all. Okay, I'm going to wait 1 minute for this puzzle. Think quickly, because minutes pass now like very quickly, and I think it's a minute over, but it's 2 minutes. So like, yeah, you have more time because I think minutes are longer when I am recording, shorter when I am recording, and when I see time after recording, it just like goes slower. Okay, now that's it for the advanced level. Okay. I know. Now this means now on to the special puzzle. Here we go, and here comes the puzzle we have all been waiting for. Let me not add music. Oof. Here we go. The special puzzle, and as always This name is not given by me. No, people give that name. The special puzzle, also known very times 100 hard. This name is shoot given by me. Okay, yes, I give that name. Okay, now let's go on to the puzzle. Yes, so this is the puzzle, and I can't also solve it. Yeah, I had to use the engine for this. This puzzle's like what? Yeah, so black played this move and now black's losing. If you are using stockfish, you can get the answer. Or you are one of the top players, then you can get the answer. Or else you are lying. Because like what? And you have to also write the opponent's move in the comment, so you have to think for yourself and the opponent too. Okay, I'm only given 1 minute because I'm not waiting an hour for this. The video will be also long, so okay, 1 minute. Okay, now think only 1 minute. Quickly. Okay, I see, you cannot get it. Don't use stockfish, bro. If you know Magnus Carlsen, send these puzzles to you. Okay. You know, this puzzle is hard. You know what's not hard? Clicking the subscribe button. It's you just click it or just press it if you are on a phone. That's it. And that also helps me, and it's completely free and it doesn't waste your time. Like thinking about this puzzle, it will waste your time if you are at Magnus Carlsen or very good player. Yeah, this will not save your time or do anything. This will just waste your time. But clicking the subscribe button will support my channel and will just not waste your time. And clicking the like button and turn on the bell notification will be also helpful. Everything's free. So now, if your friend has told the answer by using stockfish or something, I'm ending this video. Pause the video if you want to think. Well, I don't think you can get the answer. So goodbye, friends.